Hello, everyone. Welcome to this first lesson on mechanics. And in this lesson, I will be introducing the first variable, which is known as speed. And also, I will be dealing with conversions and dealing with significant figures, right? So let's look at an example which is given to us. We have a tortoise that travels at 3.41 centimeters per second for 14.64 seconds. We want to know how far does the tortoise go. We have its speed in centimeters per second, and we know that centimeter is not the SI unit for speed. And how far does the tortoise go, right? We have the speed and the time that this tortoise took traveling at that speed. We want to know how much distance it will cover. So just like each and every problem in mechanics, what we need to do is to write down the data, the information that is given to us. And we are first given the speed, and it's not in SI units, which is 3.41 centimeters per second. I'm not going to convert into SI unit first. I'm just going to perform the calculation using this speed. We are also given the time, which is in SI unit, which is in seconds, which is 14.64 seconds, right? So we want to know the distance that this tortoise will cover in that time. We use this formula, this equation for speed, whereby we have speed is equal to the distance covered all over time. In our case, we are given the speed and the time. We need the distance. So what we are going to do before we substitute, we are just going to manipulate this equation and make D the subject of the formula. What are we going to do? We are going to cross multiply. We are going to cross multiply D by 1. That will give us D, and V by T. Therefore, D is going to be velocity, speed times time. So in other words, this is the equation that we're going to use to determine the distance. We are given the speed, which is 3.41 centimeters, and we are given the time, which is 14.64 seconds. We substitute those values. We get that when we plug all of this into the calculator, we get that the distance that this tortoise covers in 14.64 seconds while moving at this speed is 49.9224 centimeters per second. Sorry, centimeters. Now I'm going to convert to SI units. For me to convert from centimeters to meters, I just divide by 100. And therefore, the distance is going to be 0.499224 meters. Now it is in SI units. It's okay. But now we need to take significant figures into consideration. From here, we can see that the velocity has 3 significant figures, and the time has 4 significant figures. So since we are multiplying, the rule says that we have to take the factor that has the least number of significant figures. In our case, it's the velocity. So in other words, our final answer must have 3 significant figures, right? So we must round off this to 3 significant figures. This is not a significant figure. We start counting our significant figures from here. We have 1, 2, 3, right? And since this is just 2, it won't affect this 9. We'll write it as it is. So now the final answer correct to 3 significant figures is going to be 0.499 meters, right? So this is the distance in meters which will be covered by the tortoise when it moves at this speed for this time, right?